Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are gaining amazing value for your time on this channel. Welcome back to my channel again, and a big shout out to my coach. I always give a shout out to him because I appreciate his work on me. Now, I have here a topic which is the perfect ICT entry model. It will be very short and very straightforward. Now, when you are done with your top analysis, for those that are, let me use the word, for those that are day trading or scalping, and you have, I won't call any trader, but a structure like this, a swing low, and price does a shift in market structure, creating a breaker block, other block. Don't forget your Fibonacci from this high to this low, right? Now, don't forget also that as a trader, we're going to look at more of premium and discount. And this scenario has shown us that price has changed momentum. Price is no longer going bullish, but it's about to start going bearish. So I'm expecting price to do this and go down, right? Now, as an aggressive trader, right, many of us just put our entry from here and bam, we enter from here, going aggressively since we mark this as our POI for entry. But if you look at it very well, sometimes price might not touch the other block and price might touch the fair value gap. And you'll be wondering, why? How come? How did this happen? Blah, 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 blah. And what happened? Now, this is what happened. You have to go to a time frame lower. You pick a time frame like 15-minute time frame, or you pick a time frame lower again as 5-minute time frame. Now, this time frame, you're looking for a shift in market structure. What happened? Price is in this what? Sorry about that. What happened? Price is in the what? Price is already in the premium zone. We have two POIs. I have this POI here. I have this POI here. That's our fair value gap. And I have this POI here as our what? Other block. I have this zone here, ta ta ta. But what do I see here? If you can see on this area here, where's my drawing? On 5 minutes, I have this. Can you see this here? What do I have here? I have a mitigation block. Right? Majority of the time, you're advised to put in your entry here around the mitigation block. Put your stop loss above here. Put your stop loss above here and target the next swing point below. It just depends on how you want to use your own zone for entry for a TP. But what you're going to do is that you're going to go to a time frame lower. Your POI, which we have two here, we have a fair value gap and we have an order block. You are looking for you are looking for your point of interest above your premium because we're looking for a sell momentum. You can come to 15 minutes. If 15 minutes is not showing you what you want to see in the chart, you can come down to 5 minutes just to get exactly what you want to see the market doing to you at your analysis. You can look for another example. Let me try another example again. It's still going down, it's still tanking. Airframe, it's still tanking. I'm just trying to find another example for you to understand. Okay. The same example goes here again. Price shifted structure around here, right? Price shifted structure around here. I have what here? I have my mitigation block, right? And I also have a shift of market structure here, right? And also price shifted structure here as a shift in market structure, right? Now, what am I going to do? Oh, price left me. I'll mark my institutional reference point, my breaker block, but I will not take this trade. Why won't I not take this trade? Let me do this and see. I won't take this trade because it didn't come to my discount. But some people might want to risk it. They'll go down to what 55 minutes. And what do you see? Price even took out liquidity here, and that liquidity was being taken out here as a stop loss. And a shift of market structure happened on top of here again on 5 minutes. And what do we see? Price came down, the activator, and started going up. So it's just a matter of you on what you are looking for in the in the chart, right? Let's see. Good. Now I'm going to drag this over, right? Now this area here, I have here and I have here using the 1 hour time frame. I'll go down to as low as what, 5 minutes. I can go as low as 15 minutes. It just depends on the time frame you want to go to. I can go as low as 5 minutes, which has a mitigation block here as my entry from 15 minutes. I can go as low as 5 minutes. And on 5 minute chart, what do I have here? I have this. Can you guys see it? I have a mitigation block that was activated here. If I don't want to take my entry around this area here, my mitigation block around this area, if I don't feel comfortable taking my entry from here, I can come down here and take my entry on this breaker block. When price shifted struggle, take my entry on this breaker block. It's still my choice. But what happened? I'm entering with my POY entry. Can you see it? And I can come down, come as far as 1 hour using my main POY time frame and look for the next draw on liquidity. I can put my take profit around here, the next draw on liquidity, and another take profit around here. So this is just a confirmation way of getting a good confirmatory entry. You have a good POI for your entry, and the next question you should be asking yourself when you get a good POI is, I need a confirmation entry. You take a time frame backwards, or you take two time frame backwards again to get that exact confirmation entry to get a good RR, and you're good to go. I hope this video was very impactful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ask your question, and I'll be so glad and happy to reply you. Thank you so much. Welcome back to